Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Baba. It's Nii.
Hello, Temo fam, moyote. Minkpe mo fam, mo kan bagmene oyi waladon wa ake ofebe. Ni mene wa bana sandigba for God and country. Wa babi eko ona boni ncho. Won fake anyung body, won fake an Ghana ma muefe. Begi ni tete obo bi ashon ni tete TV jino ni okwo ne. Wa be eko. Mini jino ni wa bagba sane mene. Shout outs to Honorable Linda Akwele Oklu, original minister. Tiachole mene eke A1J ke security services be amete sakumono tema sakumono Ramsar site chui ke nibi ni yojeme ama kumofe ashwe oh esania twadian honorable minister na ngbe jeme o atwade honorable minister atwade ale atwade ekun honorable minister atwade ekun ole nya wo fi ale shete nka atwade ekun honorable Linda Akwele Oklu. That's right. So in the video say about chombo na boni cho. Kono work basande ko e but this is a very very good start. Ona boni cho. In Kenya ke here was second lo eji wo. Ye le amesa ni. So nefe mami wo solemo ke wo emo ke yeli ake boni gan efe e ba boy wo modi ni esa wo ye bi wo ba piale ona ke bo modi o ba wole lo say ye ona boni nchon nike aleno eje wosumo ke wosole mojina ken ka aleno ne ya lo jogba anwe ni tete bole wa nu kwale pe wo ke tun oni ye wo ba yue. So honorable once again mi twade mi abo. Right, so mene no nka video say ba chonbo shi before ni kan video say ba chonbo nke bo ake ke onu ye eko ni moko ke bu ake Ga-Mantse sani agbena mo egba abo anukwale ke onu ya eko ni moko ke Ga-Mantse sani agbena ni noko be efe mo eko nwe mo egba abo anukwale mene wache Nii Adama Latse a release letter. The may be reake ni NDC ba still. I may expect ake that is the political angle ni make ni ya mi ebona ake ni NDC ba le dabi NDC chuni na kai. Ona boni chon no fe no e wo ni wote amepi wo support NDC because NDC a make mlatwoni. Me feel like ke NDC ba no aba fe dabi NDC ka me wo Manchester ndemi dabi ametumo MPP no e wakanye ba kaye letter ni inma President Mahama nke like wo Manchester ni eka put a thumb on the scale for anybody bona she allow process and go through the courts ona boni nchon dani kenoko ye ni aba afie na afie mini ni afie kenye ba kai kura nke like wo magina chema sanje efachon. So I would appreciate keji ebanye ne attorney general like a chief justice they say amena yue mo boni afi ni ke whatever a special court system just for what cases e kona expedite ne ke magian cases ne kodo wona magian cheme ni sana meye manche ye wo popa no fe ona boni nchon boni afi ni twinjole afi mini aba so President Mahama ke wo Manchester nemi mo fe mo ni expect ake NDC baba ni ameke me baba for fine me to mo boni MPP BF dabi ke MPP BF na ka woti ameko me NDC BF na ka woti ameko me wo ka me ba kpangbi no e woni President Mahama ni ameka me woko Ga-Mantse sani na me na me allow process ni go through some of us we do appreciate it abaye anukwale through the courts ni ke agbena ke mo fe mo enu eshishi chika moko ba fan mo government conclude te no ni mo ko mba na feel like lenwe government na be favor le lenwe ba nye ke mo kwa bafa ona boni chon. So the process must play through the courts all the way up to the Supreme Court. I'm sure jama ba agbe na ye ona boni chon. Once they ba se Supreme Court ni aba settle ke ka agbe na wona money esani eye Ga-Mantse she until now we Ga-Mantse che me enyo wo be Ga-Mantse komi ameye enyo ni teko chulu ni jenyo Nii Adama Latse ni jenyo. They both having their rights to claim ake Ga-Mantse meji ame. You understand? Nke ba ke bi wo betin bi anu kwali epeke ni wo you. People don't like it, but that's fine. You understand what I'm saying? So wo be Ga-Mantse komi wo ye Ga-Mantse me enyo Nii Adama Latse ke ni teko chulu ame fe Ga-Mantse meji ame. Only the courts will be able to decide who the legitimate Ga-Mantse is. Kani moko lakabo ni Ga-Mantse sani enke mini aye kwa tanko. So obanake ni government chaki ni teko chulu ya functions ni state functions ni a recognize ole ake leji Ga-Mantse ni Nii Adama Latse mene eke wonche ame fa me gbe ami ame mawolo kete presidency ame mawolo kete the interior ministry ame mawolo kete the regional police command ame mawolo ke ame fe me ni ame mata ake Ga-Mantse sanie a decide ku nwewo ni a decide ku moko be egbe ni eba parade excuse me itself ake Ga-Mantse ke fe na kan be I put the thumb on the scale ona bonichon for one person against the other ona. So Adama Latse a lawyer say amema letter to mo beni nke ebo akekote Flagstaff House say akekote chieftaincy ministry akekote IGP akekote director of operations the presidency ona bonichon kemeni eyiafe so bono ba na ke ete police station ete interior ministry ete local government ministry ete presidency ete efe ake dabi sani e Kumasi na ye olo no ne ye Kumasi na ye esani I put the thumb on the scale in favor of one person or the other. Esaname ni ayesani atan ka ayesani atan money court ba decide ake leji manche keke government ekele femini enye ekele chuni inke page 1 egma screen no yabo ike dear sir or madam eje Yao Berima and Co legal practitioners and consultants excuse me ike dear sir or madam notice of pendency of legal action against Dr. Kelvin Taki Abia aka Nii Teko Chulu the second as over the legitimacy of his occupancy of the gun stool as the paramount chief of the gun state into parenthesis Ga-Mantse. Okay? I act as the solicitor for Nii Taki Adama Latse the second, the paramount chief of the gun state Ga-Mantse, and the Gajase headed by the Jase chief Nii Yaute Oto Ga. Hereinafter called my clients, and I have their express instructions to write this letter to your company, organization, institution in respect of the above stated subject matter. So, lawyer introduce himself. Okay, Nii Adama Latse, Niji Ga-Mantse, na kanji boni lawyer describe ile. A lawyer. Leno Nii Yaute Oto Ga. Niji Jase icho yegan Jase kuwe leji icho ni yomi oba bi oyake mine woni lawyer ewe na kan now keye ba kaye doctor ni tetekwe ke wonche ameke sanite court ake Nii Yaute Oto Ga still a parade itself as the gun Jaseche ni eje na kaini no be contempt amole court now ke ote National House of Chiefs say money be your register me Dr. Nii Tetekwe. Now, as to the way Nii Egbeje register me, that is another case for another show. But I can tell you, okay, a proponent said back afe kusumi ale around 2005 2006. Egbeje National House until 2020 to 2021 thereabout. You understand what I'm saying? So Obabio is on yake between like a period there, what happened? But once again, let's be fair. There were litigations. You understand what I'm saying? Ni eyano. So like I said, ni aute otogan eyano ni still a performer, quote and unquote, the functions of a jaseche. Ni doctor ni tetekwe me kete court ni I'm a side contempt. Ni ake sani te court apparently catch a case ameba so lawyer judge wo na contempt case ni eche efon. So if you are wondering why ni lawyer declare a client ake leji jaseche, I'm not a lawyer, but this may be it. You understand what I'm saying? I am not a lawyer. Don't take what I just said in regards. But me about the background story. Okay, this is what has happened. Doctor Nii Tetekwe ke wonche. Amege Nii yaute otogan ke wonche te court. Ake Nii yaute otogan still a parade itself as the jaseche. Ni perform functions of a jaseche. Naken sanye jeje ewo echafon. You understand what I'm saying? Naken sanye ni Doctor Nii Tetekwe mekete ameba kote so jeje femini ewo echafon. Now I'm a channel mabo. So my client the Ga-Mantse had been properly and genuinely installed as a paramount chief of the Gun State since 2011. Wofen waliake Nii Adama Latse afe kusumi fe hale 2011 Grand Ojogba Andienche Majiancheme from all over Ghana aba niaba witness and was performing all the traditional and customary duties inherent in the said position and was subsequently entered into the National Register of Chiefs, thus gazetted in 2015. So in 2011, wafen waliake ni atodia Nii Adama Latse na kan bia mi fen le shwani ake Ga-Mantse ona boni nchon ke aya eko ni esani Ga-Mantse eya chuno ko yegeme leji moni eya ni eya chuo na kan chumo. Now, granted, there were cases in the court between Nii Adama Latse ke Dr. Joe Blankson campaign. You understand what I'm saying? Until Dr. Joe Blankson go, I believe somewhere in 2014 or so. You understand what I'm saying? But ke 2011 Nii Adama Latse ni jenyo legimony perform the functions of Ga-Mantse. Ona leye functions ni e require ake Ga-Mantse injeme Nii Adama Latse jimoni efi omini eyo na kan function session obana picture say ko ni nke chombo na ona leke president mama ona le ni efefe ni bi. You understand what I'm saying? So legimony efe ni now ni agazetele in 2015. He was further inducted into a Greater Accra Regional House of Chiefs and subsequently elected to be one of the 5 representatives of the regional house at the National House of Chiefs in 2017. Once again, in 2017, watch Nii Adama Latse regional house etejeme ni afon oshiki kia representatives ni ameba represent Gan ye National House of Chiefs Kumase watch Nii Adama Latse legimony efita mei enumo ni afon oshiki ni ame afita nakan no I think I get nakan major picture say leun nke chombo dam. In that same 2017, my client was forcibly and unlawfully removed from the Gun State Palace. So can you back where be a minute like election set no I think about 2-3 weeks or so no ni afe what I will call a coup. It is a coup. You understand what I'm saying? Coming from I can tell a coup that is fine. It is a coup. Coup ni akafale. So a lawyer eke 2017 no ni afon shiki hale ni eya regional eya represent Greater Accra ye National House of Chiefs na kan 2017 there no ni afe kuwe awole ni afale. Now his official residence in that same 2017, my clan was forcibly and unlawfully removed from the Ga State Palace, its official residence, by a group of soldiers and policemen at the instance of the then government in power, which later went to put the above named Dr. Kelvin Abiataki, into parentheses, Nii Tekochulu II, in the said palace, without following any process laid down processes and without following any properly laid down processes and or procedures. So lawyer A and one wali ake na kan bia me no ni police foi ke soja foi na aba palace ni aba fanle no mi ke ba kan ke kuwe bona ona manche na ke police ke soja foi fanle dan ke mi langards ke ni bi ko na kan police foi ke soja foi ka me ba na me ba maintain order ona boninchon she ameba ni ameba fan at that point 2017 mla kokla be court ni chon ake Nii Adama Latse esa na eyi omanche wolo kokla eje ko court bono ni yu otodo ba ake afan Nii Adama Latse keji wolo eje court ake afanle ni esa ni eyi omanche police fo ke soja fo ye egbe ni amefanle keji akela ake eshi na eshi she woloko eje ko court in 2017 ni eba aka ake Nii Adama Latse esa ni eyi omanche no ewo esani afa mini afanle woloko eje ko court in 2017. You understand what I'm saying? Were there cases in court? Probably. Ona ba case kokula abe ni aje ake afa Nii Adama Latse ye court. There was not a single case ni a order ake afanle. You understand what I'm saying? From the palace. So it is a coup. Period. Keji court declare ke enye ye manche. You understand what I'm saying? Ni akela ke fan ne fan ni police fo ke soja fo ya fan le gbeka. Shike court we ke kwa aka afanle. Ni police fo ke soja fo te jame na afanle. Coup ni. There is no other way to describe it than a coup. You understand what I'm saying? Than a coup. Now, let's go to the second page. And like I said, don't be mad. Kaji, it happened to us side there. You understand what I'm saying? And for those of you, you feel I can take his side and take it side. In case Sunday, be where you are, no quality. Near Kay, what's a when you feel you back on Tehami? Kay, in ka anukwale no ni favor bope je anukwale ni anukwale sane anukwale papa e favor mo femo ona boni nchon so wase ku boni ntabia ni na wa ni nye jo mi na kanu wase ku ka botiri te no shamo na ke fenye matabia no ni mawe manye kas nye sane yemi no nya wa yu anukwale ka wonta wa twaga nya wa yu anukwale wo malecho. Page 2. Again, following this unlawful and arbitrary act, the name of my client, Nii Adama Latse's name, was inexplicably expunged from the National Register of Chiefs, and in his place, Dr. Kelvin Abiataki, aka Nii Tekochulu, the second's name, entered by the officials of the National House of Chiefs, led by its national president. Once again, there was no order from the court. Ake afa Nii Adama Latse egbeyemi. None whatsoever. You understand what I'm saying? No one in Nii Adama Latse yasiwe court ke ake akeleye ojogbang. Because at least as ani angmelegbe ke a decide aga ba fe egbe po ye register ni esani angmelegbe ni e present a case na ye afe na kan angmelegbe ni afegbe no judge order Justice Frederick Tete a order ake Nii Adama Latse gbe awo gazette min back because akeleye ojogbang. Law of natural justice aloje na ga call ke okesane yemokwe mla ke angmemo gbe ni lenwe ke na ajie mu aba Nii Adama Latse ni ajie gbe ye register mi aha le na opportunity e ona boni nchon afan ye mi ajie gbe mi straight up. You understand what I'm saying? Ne Nii Adama Latse asiu ni Justice Frederick Tete enake lele the law of natural justice apply in this case. Angme Nii Adama Latse ni eba present a case. Koni akwa whether a deserve or ake egba yimi alo esa ni egbe hiomi. You understand what I'm saying? So jeje a order ake within 14 days say ake egbe awomi back. Now mini jino niba. These developments led to a court action in the High Court, Kumasi, and the High Court ordered that the National House of Chiefs to restore the name of Nii Adama Latse as the paramount chief of the Gun State. No jino ni nkebwe. It was at this state that the party working for the interest of Dr. Kelvin Abiataki filed a notice of appeal and a stay of execution, which was upheld. So Nikote order ake Nii Adama Latse gbe awomi back ni teko chulu ni jenyo ke a lawyer say I may appeal na kan order ni jeje ni I may apply for a stay of execution. Stay of execution meaning na kan judgment until ni abaye na kan appeal case on appeal na kan judgment aka execute on aboninchon aka put le into force na kan ji no ni emino. So for a long while ne acheko case atakoi. From what I understand, I came aka me ni ameka appeal te nwe ame for me. You would think akeke o appeal case square oba push na ye on aboninchon but ame for me. You understand what I'm saying? Nii Adama Latse dienche amenche ama achese. Bona. So bono a lawyer you to a lawyer ke the matter is still pending before the Court of Appeals in Kumasi, and the parties are now in the process of filing their respective written submissions. So achono kwake case I can tell you ake achese biane Nii Adama Latse present a case ni teko chulu ni jenyo lenwe ke lawyer foye ame file ame submissions. Nii Adama Latse lewu a lawyer foye no ni many isana ame file ame ba file ka ame file atan keke judge etobi keke aje sanie. So min ke bo ake Ga-Mantse sanie aye ko atanko court ko declare ko ake ni teko chulu ni jenyo Ga-Mantse alo Nii Adama Latse ni jenyo Ga-Mantse aye ko enyo no woni wo yo Ga-Mantse me fe mini enyo. Now please sir / madam, in view of the pendency of matter in court and the fact that the occupation of Dr. Kelvin Abiataki, also known as Nii Tekochulu, is illegitimate and unlawful, my clients have instructed to pray you to cease dealing with him whatsoever and howsoever until the courts have dealt with this matter completely and finally. So I mean chono gwake akani sanie aye ko atanko won manye koni nyeke Nii Tekochulu akpa deal mo until ni court ba ye sanie etan. And I think this is in the right order. Look, sometimes nyeti me pia suma no kwale. If the tables were turned, you would appreciate this. Majianche menyo aye ko sani atanko isana amefe amechoki ka ye sani atan ye money god to about determine akele Ga-Mantse keke amla lu ekele fe mini kele chuni. Simple as ABC. This makes sense ene eke to enjoy ba nyoni chonu mshishi. It makes sense. Now this will avoid prejudicing the matter and also help reduce the tension surrounding who is the legitimate paramount chief of the Gun State. And that is true. Neke a prejudice or case it puts these authorities say I'm a thumb on the scale for one party against the other. Meanwhile, court decide. You understand what I'm saying? Court decide. So ke court decide. There is no way ni esani akemukomia deal over the other. It's just unfair. Ke menyo na yesani esani ame ni yesani atan. Ka yata na ke Nii Tekochulu Ga-Mantse eke mo fe mo ke le deal. Mo fe mo ke ya no yo manche ni. Ka yata na ke Nii Adama Latse Ga-Mantse eke mo fe mo ke le deal. Eke mo fe ba ke ya no ni. You understand what I'm saying? Your kind and prompt consideration of contents of this letter is much anticipated. Bona bonichon. So a sign S Asante Beku Esquire. Eke enoma e wojeme ona ake stamp ke no fe no Asisi Nii Adama Latse, the Honorable Minister, Ministry of the Interior, the Honorable Minister, Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, the IGP, Police Headquarters, Accra, the Director of Operations, the Presidency, Jubilee House, Accra. So, my name is I've been reliably informed that I'm in a neke letter neno. Now, as to whether amekabachuni ni amebabo to nuele watemo kunye decide. You understand what I'm saying? But ke otao to enjolaba. This is in right order. You understand what I'm saying? Sania ye court. Esani afio noko ne put all the thumb on the scale for any of the parties. You wait when the court decides. You understand what I'm saying? Eke mo fe money aba ye ha ye ka fe mini keke akele echuni. So there you have it. Letter ni wache Nii Adama Latse ke wache ni yaute otogan a lawyers ameke ti actually ten amengma ke the people that actually matter ona boninchon ake sanie ye court no ni sanie ye court amekwe ni ameme ka ameke manche ko ye nuchumo ameme boni afe ni aye sanie atan ka aye sanie atan ni a declare ake ashimashi ji manche ke ka afe mi ni ke ake mo echu ni ona boninchon. Right, so there you have it. So like I said, it is what it is. Tomoboni Nkebwe, the Honorable Minister, Honorable Linda Akwele Oklu, ete Ramsar site, what for a lot of cases. A lot of cases. Yeah, Ramsar site, Sunday, mene ete jame ke wonche, ni akumoni bi akome ni yo jame. Ni Olenoko, once again, a round of applause for her. Look, this is a good start. You understand what I'm saying? It is a very, very good start. My prayer is that Eba Fen to Mononi Henry Quarte Bafe ni Eba Fen to Mononi Titus Glover Bafe Shile Eke na neba machine ni wafe waba nake lele mami ni ebagan twa ebagandangwe samo ona bonincho ni like I said bien no nta ni wache Titus Glover ete ne kumo wall ko shkomie nta bien no ni njole ni sole yanle nje npa yanle naka no ni se mie na ka no chumu e ojugba mbata bien ni iwe mlenje ma ima akwele ima mi jiboyi ima akwele oyi wala don ntabie madaboshi majioyi mawono ima minkpabo fai kani enefe tumo asho plashon tumo boni ayo machine mi ye shiba mi kani enefe plashon o fai ne bomode koni ochule ojogban ni ochano ane na fe shishije chui kanibi komefe ni yo jeme ni esa na eyin oje ima ye shiba mi ana kumofen ashwe ima ania kumofen ashwe ima akole ima nke ania kumofen ashwe ani akumofen ashwe ye shiba mi ona bonincho so anima trap first video mahabo koni
they are essential for supporting local communities that depend on
dabi jeno ne ene boy we mom lancho jeno nta wo matwa me video jien yo yi oh video jien me yo yi oh mi sande ne ye ni tete o be ni e ba obale be no bale won e be ja nya mi 1 second video e mi nta oni eto na she eto na ami isan eto na ni mana noni pote ni nta wo matwa shi efe na kan. Oh, okay. I think it's this one. Nyawakwa video. So Burenche Ona. bolenche o na. Yes, akumo ni bi ani yo jeme fe na kan ni. You na ka mokochu. Ba na mokochu. Akumo fe komo. Yeah. If I'm get true and akuma low wall.
Yeah, Tony. The bamboo. There we go.
Ngabo fe ko no ko ne. Right, so first video, Gino ni wakwane. So body and chona, ona body nchon. Like I said, wapeji me kome ni one inna yejele mi fe in microphone na ewa because intra video abo. Wapeji me nina ni wahon ahun. Eko ni wajema won yo nwe won kolo ni konwo inle kolo niji. Kolo no ni konwo. Ganangbe. Kolo no ni konwo inle kolo niji. Efe no baya ejele miye. I'm a sacred site. I'm a keshwe. She wa wadi enche. Won won chimu ame. Keshia iketei ni won won chimu ame. Keshia iketei ni won Nke kolo ni konwo ile kolo niji. Kolo no ni konwo ile kolo niji. Inna komoko ni eni ejema won yo efiti ojeme down fe wo game wo. Wope na ni won chu ne kenoko ne ni ni wa fai ni wo jema wajin yo mi wope wo mo boyagbe na meke tai ke shia ibati mu no. Como another video ashimashine leuni afeni efi amagele ba echu ni ejeme ejiga lemu Obana le video mi ato cement jiye ame cement jiye na meke chu ni aje ejeme Bona, skip na le, come on le. Bona le short end. Lemo. Ewo no ko ye ni le, mi na asafo ache ni. Unbelievable. Police work soldier for e na twen ale. Ene ke aje manko no yi abaji le.
Count the cement and they carry. We stop the work. You won't count the cement and they carry.
You stop the work. You won't count the cement.
You won't count the thing that they pack up.
This is just unbelievable. Right, so nyekwa kwe gandangbe eye mobo hii eye mobo ake lumu itashi na chiyo wofa ke shia ikete je fa ko keke hii shifa ko ni jema won wulu je jema won bibio ewulu die nche ewulu ni this man now anyemie elemo the audacity. You understand what I'm saying? The audacity with which kwe gandangbe Ona no na efi otomo ke obata bi eke woke wo ishana nwe ona eke ba fet mo won kweche ma yi. I mean, how do you see this? How do you see this? Nika o you aba na twi no ke yue. How do you see this? Nika o you oba na twi no ke yue. How? Inga ye kome ko se mankono hey na mejema wajin yo akehwe onyo ya jeme no aye rough bibio po rough penyena rough manye ya jole de penyenu manye asavo anya jane ye teshini ami to yo de yo fine boy ojuba asoro se akwejala mi akpene pono ba ye rough bibio ba wo mewo yi walumo esumo shika fe no aka medi encha me ho ken hak boy na ke shai ke tay abachimo amedi encha me ho hak boy na ke shai ke tay abachimo ni amamo ni bi ye no nke koloni kowona na ken kolona. Come another angle of the video. Ameba na ameke tei ke ni bi ba mamo enshi be una ameke tei e ba mamo enshi ameke tei e ba mamo enshi. Come on, blocks can it be? Come on, share can it be? Mujeleje. Yeah, my boy. Daddy, surely any your corner. Is this place any different from Noni Manyanabo Lewulu Yafe? Is this place any different? You know, na screen there no. Unbelievable. Right. So there you have it. You understand what I'm saying? Look, this is just unbelievable. I've never seen the people disrespect their own deity to the way ni what disrespect Sakumo. It's unbelievable. The sort of disrespect ni working at Sakumo, working at Peshie, working at Wieja. It's unbelievable. Working at Insakie unweji bete abwenchi. Like mini no Dabita Flache mini no yowo. Many omo no yowo. Regional minister in speech ni afeneke operation na atan and what bullet we.
They are essential for supporting local communities that depend on them for fishing, farming, and tourism. Ladies and gentlemen, despite the crucial importance of the Tema Sakumo Ramsar site, it is very unfortunate that it continues to face the threat of encroachment and illegal development. This threat not only endangers the delicate balance of the ecosystem,
also how can we do this to ourselves?
The livelihoods of the countless people.
It's just unbelievable. How can we do this to ourselves?
To be precise, encroachment on this core zone of Tema Sakumo Ramsar site is illegal and unacceptable. The core zone located in the center of the Wetland is where biodiversity is highest and where human activities must be kept to minimum and to maintain the areas of ecological integrity. Therefore, allowing construction or any form of development within this zone would have their consequences.
I mean, how?
Not only for the environment, but also for our community.
Take your thing one more. I mean, what do you want to say, Kula? What do you want to say?
I want to assure you that the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council will intensify its efforts to safeguard this wetland. We will ensure that the relevant environmental regulations and existing laws are strictly enforced and complied with.
Regional Coordinating Council, use
this opportunity to make a clear call on all well-meaning Ghanaians to act responsible to respect the laws governing our wetlands and contribute to safeguarding the Temasakum on Ramsar site. The Densu Data Ramsar site and all other Ramsar sites.
Ramsar sites.
What nature has graciously given us, and let us be proud custodians of our environment. And like the manager said, the CEO said, aside visiting the site, we are not going to just leave it just like that. We are going to have a task force in place, which will comprise the chairman, the TDC rep, the Forestry Commission rep,
that's right,
National Security rep, Regional Planning Officer, Town and Country Planning rep, Hydrological Service rep, and all other stakeholders to make sure that this exercise is not going to be just a one part.
Right. So, like I said, look, this is extremely commendable, and I seriously, like I said, she deserves a round of applause again. Ona Boninchon, this is really good. Bona, this is really good. Ni tomo Bonin Kebwe. I hope this will not be this will not be a one-day wonder. I hope naka because wana Henry Kwate ya chune kenu chumune the same place. Se miye ebachono konklu eshi wache Titus Glover le wana le jeme ya chune ke ya kumonoko ne se miye le neshi noni ewo ni ka mete shikome ni ame ya don eji sole mwake mlenche ma akwele han naka inoku aba eji sole mwake ima akwele han naka inoku aba eke na ne ba mashi hani mokomoko achake ejwemo hani mokomoko atoto enajin eke na ne ba mashi koni no ni sa ni ejeshishine echano ona Boninchon eke na ne ba mashi koni no ne ejeshishine echano ni e mention other sites ima akole te eshiba mi o fine bomoden koni o ya pe hie bomoden koni o ya wuyeja ima ya eshiba mi bomoden any Ramsar site efe no chefe bomoden no ko e wonche nye ya ajeme no nye kuma ani bi efe ni yo na kenshikoji ano nye kuma afe Henry Kwate jeshishi ne te eke shi ka abacha no Titus Glover umba le un ke te eke shi je ka abacha no no ni ya no ye duji ami ke tuan se wole no ne woni ka mete je me shikomi e ka abacha no ima akole ye shiba ami boy no kan e bale na kan ima min pabo fai ye boy no kan e bale na kan na kan nka wati ame kume wole no newo wole Jamie Makenye nyeti ame pia nyele no niwe wo ima akwele so ya eshiba ami honorable ya eshiba ami ka hani ebale na kan Kahani e balena kain. Kahani mokotuto nani. Kahani mokotuto nin papa no jeshishine. Regional Coordinating Council ke moko jose ne ya eshika e moko de. Ima akwele shwemole. Shwemole. Keji moko jose biami no ojiotri no ken chunu chumone ne ba tuto na jinye shwemole. Ne ka wo onuchumo papa no chuo ne muji shwemole. Shwemole. Ana me na meliake ke yie ba na me ke yie fe kome na gbe gandan mi ehie bu e mami jibo bo onmengbe because yo for yo jibo o gandan me no ba hia obi wose no obu yo for you any jibo e wo onmengbe ke yan yie tomoboni yie fe na me ba fite no fe no na amamo na bomi agake fe na tui. Honorable Keba formed task force, and I believe it is in order. Forestry Commission yemi, TDC by me, National Security by me, Town and Country Planning by me, Regional Planning Officers by me. Neke task force ne Honorable Yeshi by me. Call for me famous shuake menu okoba dumona amejime ni ame dunshini. Amejime ni ame trika eni bonwo trika. Ye shibami. Ima. Ye shibami. Ma. Menok ba du moneke task force ne na ana mele yinto poten ake bue oba shikata umo. No ke moko ba ne ba ye shikasane ne ba edu nshini ne ba fito nuchumo ba shwele. President Mama ebubo koko ke mene wele fe ni amekela achuni ye. Ani me no ba select because ame no na me feel deals yes ima ame no na me feel deals yes ame no ka ani ame fe deals awobo na fito nu chumo papa ye shiba mi ma shi oje no ko shishi papa e sagandan me fe yin gandan me fe ba wabo gandan me fe ba piabo ni tete TV wo ba wabo ni tete TV wo ba piabo ni no fe no ba ye mu. Oyi wala don ngbeji ni tete obo bi ashon wo ba pe wo twa ni o manya fo no bye bye.
Yeah baba it's Nii. Them say you want to chop my